Hey Reddit gifts. This is Jardix22, and I got my Ocarina from my Secret Santa, which is pretty good, but pretty awesome by the way. Since it's an instrument, I thought I'd post a video and do a little bit of a video demonstration. Now this is just gonna be totally improv. I don't know how it lines up, how the notes line up with songs, and I haven't gotten that yet. Um, I'll work on it though, but for now it's just me playing random notes. So yeah, just it plays pretty well, and once I figure out notes, and that'll eventually turn into songs, and I'll get better. But so thanks Secret Santa. This is a pretty good gift. Thank you.